Last year, my very first vlog on this channel was right here at Bikini Beach. All right, we made it down to Bikini Beach. Welcome. I wanted to come back and give you an update on how the beach is doing after the typhoon. And for something a little bit different, I'm gonna be cooking fish on the beach. I really hope I don't mess it up. I got a knife.
Eyes, the brain.
I think I'm okay. On the Bohol Bridge connecting Taoist to Tagbilaran City, you'll find a market selling fresh fruits and vegetables, as well as really fresh, locally caught fish. It's from today.
Yes, this morning.
This morning. Thank you. Now that I have my fish, it's time to go to Bikini Beach. Welcome to Bikini Beach. So originally the plan was to come down here and cook on the beach, but right behind me, I think you can see, there is a massive rain cloud coming and a lot of rain. So I ended up getting a cottage, so that way I'll have a little bit of shelter just in case it does pour on us. Before it does, why don't we go explore a little bit and see what's changed here at Bikini Beach. Now, I don't know if this happened before the typhoon or after because of the typhoon, but this whole beach used to actually just be a lot of white sand. Now you can see it's mostly just rocks and you can't really walk on it. It's kind of sad actually. And it's already raining, so I think I'm gonna change the plans again and we're gonna cook the fish. Okay, let's get ready to cook. All right, I think I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. It's really pouring now and I've made quite a big mistake. I forgot my knife. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to cut the fish or any of the vegetables or the fruit, but... Oh yeah? Hi. You have a knife.
Knife?
I forgot my knife. Thank you.
Son, did you get the knife, buddy?
I got a knife.
Okay, let's start cooking.
Let's eat. Okay, so I've never done this before, actually cleaning a fish, so this should be interesting. Now I'm soaking wet. All right, so we got the fish going. Paolo is here. He's helping cut up some vegetables.
Yeah. You didn't tell me that I needed to cook, man. I just
Actually, I'm just thinking about it now. I didn't even introduce him. So this is Paolo.
Hi guys. I'm the helper here, apparently. Now.
Paolo arrived and it was pouring rain, so we just sort of sat here in the shelter for a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see, but the sun is coming out. It looks like the rain's stopping, so that's great. We're gonna finish cooking up here and then we'll see you when it's ready.
Do you want it like this or you want it finer? It's okay?
That's good.
That's good. Are you sure you don't want that?
No,
The
I'm okay.
eyes, the brain.
I think I'm okay. Lunch was delicious. Let's head out and go for a swim. Oh, you made it back just in time for another storm. I'm glad I wasn't out there when this came. All right, it's clearing up for the second time today, so why don't we go walk around and check out the rest of the beach. So the huts here are actually for rent. They're right beside the beach, which makes it really convenient, especially today when we had all this rain. So these smaller tents here that fit about 8 to 10 people, they're 250 pesos for the day. And then there's a larger one at the end that's also for 500, which fits maybe closer to 15 to 20. So we're at almost high tide right now, which is why it doesn't look like much of a beach. If the tide was lower, there'd definitely be a lot more white sand, but there is a lot more rocks here than there used to be from before the typhoon. And also there's a few trees that have fell down, but for the most part, things look pretty good. All right, it looks like another storm's coming, so I'm gonna call it a day here. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy videos like this, why don't you check out this video where my girlfriend and I go to Dumaluan Beach for a picnic. Thanks again, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.